Kano State Governor Rabiu Kwankwaso has condemned the recent arraignment of 67 minors by the Nigerian police force in Abuja for allegedly participating in the #EndBadGovernance protest. Kwankwaso voiced grave concern over the treatment of the children. In a statement shared on his X handle on Friday, Kwankwaso highlighted their malnourished condition and urged need for medical care. These children, who are clearly malnourished, are in need of medical attention, have been subjected to cruel experience when they should be in school. The arraignment of such a large number of minors in their state is highly unusual and undermines every tenet of human rights and dignity, he added. He stressed that it is the government's responsibility to protect vulnerable groups from harm. The government should not be at the forefront of these violations. Speaking on the stringent bail conditions set for the minors, he said, "It is absurd that the teenager is required to find 10 million naira and a grade 15 civil servant as bail surety." Kwankwaso called for immediate action, urging authorities to reconsider the charges so that the minors can return to their families and become responsible citizens. Stay informed for latest breaking news and exclusive videos from NaijaNews TV.